Hey guys, we are doing a mukbang with devil eggs. Devil eggs egg sandwich? Devil eggs egg sandwich. I made it today, so I guess I'll show you. So here is the English muffin, English breakfast muffin, and I have here 3 baby tomatoes, and here is some lettuce. Also has some devil eggs in it, and I'll show you guys. So this is a more of an American breakfast. So here I have some devil eggs that I made. Baby tomato. Devil eggs. Home cooked meals. I love devil eggs, they're so good. This is one of my favorite American breakfasts. There, another baby tomato. I love baby tomatoes, they're so good. Here I just put some devil eggs inside because I didn't have no more bread, so I was like, I have lettuce, so I just put it in here. Got some devil egg on my cheek. If you guys don't know what devil egg is, it's basically boiled egg. You split the yolk and the egg whites. Boiled egg, okay, boiled egg. And then you break them up, or you could just eat them, like cut them in half, and then take out the egg, take out the yolk, mix it with mayonnaise, American mayonnaise. I never tried with Japanese mayonnaise, but I'll let you know if that tastes good too. And then you mix the yolk with mayonnaise, mix them up, and then you could put salt or pepper, pepper, and I put a little bit of fish sauce, but you guys know I love fish sauce, so I got that Asian taste. But yeah, I put a little bit of fish sauce. You can put soy sauce too. But I never tried soy sauce, but I would imagine it tastes good. But I put my little bit of fish sauce, salt, and mayonnaise. And then you mix it back with you replace back the egg hole, okay, where the yolk is at. You replace it, you put it into the eggs. And then, there, devil eggs. Or you could just chop them up like I did and then put it into a bread. You could put it into bread or, I guess, lettuce. But yeah, easy. No one taught me how to make this either. I think I just watched, I think I read it once that you can make it in a cookbook, and I was like, that's easy, I can make that. And then I made it. I think I watched it once in a YouTube video, but I can't remember. Okay, I have one sandwich left and a baby tomato, and I'm putting some of the filling. Okay, last egg muffin with egg. This is the first time I had double eggs with a muffin. English muffin. Tastes good together. Better than bread. Yeah, I fill them up because they're good. I use 2 boiled eggs for mine. Also, this morning, I woke up pretty early, and then I boiled like 5 or 6 eggs, and I also made a family, all devil eggs. But I also put them in the English muffin. I also like warmed this up in the oven, the English muffin, to like soften the bread. So yeah, they all had devil eggs, except for my brother. He had his with just regular bread, and then my mom and my sister had it with the English breakfast muffin. It was good. My sister gave it a 10 out of 10. So now she's a lover of the devil bread. I mean the devil egg bread. My mama didn't ask her, but I think she likes it because she likes eggs anyways. My brother said 8.5. But he eats his eggs with sriracha, so he's the weird one. It might be a little noisy because neighbors are loud and it's a hot day. And I opened the window because it's hot. So, apologies for the noise. I love this. Easily one of my favorite American breakfasts. Hold on. But you know what, guys? We gotta get some of that H2O. Okay, water break. Of course, guys. Or your drink of choice, but mine's water. It's not cold though. H2O, water. Water break. I didn't have a chance to cut my nails. But, yeah, I need to cut them. That was good. Hey you guys, so the background sound may sound staticky. I think it's just my mic wire. Yeah, I was watching the playback and I was like, what the hell is that static sound? So I'm gonna have to order a new wire for my mic to my phone. So I have to order that on Amazon. Hopefully it comes soon. I'm so sorry guys for the noise if you guys hear it. But anyways, the show must continue on. And I have stuff for you guys. Hopefully you guys can endure the sound, please. Anyways, I have ice cream, guys. It is taro ice cream. It's by the same company as that green bean one, if you guys watched it. It was in the previous video. In the video with the desserts that are all green, the green bean ice cream was in there. But this one is taro ice cream. And I believe this is also that Vietnamese brand. Really good ice cream. There you go. If you don't know what taro is, it's that. See that, guys? But yes, taro. Let's do it. It's gonna melt if I don't, because my ring light is hot, and I had this out for a bit because I was trying to fix the sound quality, and the window's open because it's hot. So I was trying to fix the sound quality, but I'm not sure if I did. You guys might still have to hear the static in the background while I'm talking. I'm so sorry, guys. I try to fix it. So, I mean, this is a good mic, okay? I have a Blue Yeti mic. It's expensive. So, with YouTube comes technical. Well, anything you do technology-wise, there's always technical difficulties. But anyways, let's look at the bright side. We have ice cream, and I'm posting a video. That's the bright side. Let's see it. And taro is purple. This one I did not melt, thankfully. Thank God I have a plate down there. My lord. I miscalculated that just a little bit. But we have the taro ice cream. I can't believe I did that. My gosh. Doesn't look like it's damaged or anything. I mean, it smacked onto the plate that I had right here. But it's all good. It's all good now. Anyways, look at it. It's perfect this time around. If only we got to see what that green bean would have looked like if it was perfect. But anyways. But yeah, guys, sorry about the sound. I will try to fix it. I had to order a new wire mic. Ugh. Wire to the mic, I meant. You get little taro bits. The taro bits kind of remind me of like coconut. If you like coconut, you'll like this. It kind of reminds me of coconut. Yeah. What I really like about this ice cream brand is that the taste always tastes so authentic. And if it's artificial, it tastes artificial to me. I like this flavor. Just good flavor. I also don't think this is real dairy either. I think. Don't quote me. I remember. Let me read the label while I eat the ice cream. Okay, guys. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And I shall see you in another video, short, or wherever. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, morning, night, brunch, lunch, dinner. Until then, bye. People.